If Outlook is stuck on loading profile, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you a few simple fixes that can usually get it working again. We'll start with the quickest solution, then move into safe mode, and if needed, we'll repair Microsoft Office to fix the issue properly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech videos. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we want to fully close Outlook because sometimes the app is still running in the background and that can cause the loading profile error to get stuck. To do that, right-click on your taskbar and open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the compact view, click More Details so you can see the full list of running apps and processes. Now, look through the list for Outlook. Once you find it, right-click on Outlook and choose End Task. This will force Outlook to close completely. After that, try opening Outlook again normally. In some cases, that alone is enough to clear the loading profile issue and let Outlook start properly. If Outlook opens, great, you're done. But if it still gets stuck, don't worry, because we've got another easy fix to try next. The next step is to start Outlook in safe mode. Safe mode loads Outlook with minimal features, which can help bypass add-ins or settings that may be causing the error. To do this, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run box. In the Run field, type outlook.exe/safe, exactly as shown, and then press Enter or click OK. If Outlook opens in safe mode, that's a very good sign. It means the issue may be caused by an add-in or a corrupted setting rather than Outlook itself. From there, you can test whether Outlook works normally and then troubleshoot any add-ins later. But if safe mode does not solve the problem, the next best option is to repair Microsoft Office. To repair Outlook, open the control panel on your computer. Once you're there, go to Programs, then select Programs and Features. In the list of installed programs, find Microsoft Office. Right-click on Microsoft Office, then click Change. This will open the repair options. Choose Repair and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Depending on your system, the repair process may take a few minutes, so be patient and let it finish completely. Once the repair is done, restart your computer if Windows asks you to do so. After that, open Outlook again and check whether the loading profile issue is gone. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the problem, whether it was a background process, a safe mode issue, or a damaged Office installation. If Outlook is still not working after that, you may need to look at your profile settings, or create a new Outlook profile, but for most users, the methods in this video solve the error. If this walkthrough helped you fix Outlook loading profile, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.